Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling Siri announcing notifications when your watch is connected to headphones on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to have Siri announce your notifications out loud when your watch is connected to headphones. This feature helps you to not miss notifications when you're exercising or distracted by your headphones. Follow the steps to learn how to turn this feature on or off. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu, then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down and tap notifications. Scroll down to and tap on announce notifications. Then tap the toggle to enable the setting. When the toggle is green, Announce Notifications is enabled. When grey, it is disabled. You can scroll down to enable Announce Notifications for specific apps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.